We have recently started doing our internship paperwork online. I'm going to walk you through the process for submitting your internship paperwork. The first thing you need to do is go to the Career Services website. If you go to Career Services on the Coastal website, www.coastal.edu/career, you're going to scroll down to Handshake. First you will click on Handshake, and then you'll click on Handshake again. Once you get here, it'll say sign on through your school. You will enter your same username and password that you use for your email and for Moodle. And of course I haven't changed mine. So once you log in, you will be taken to a place in in Handshake that looks like this. Right now I'm in as a faculty member, but I'm going to change it to student view so that you will understand what it looks like to be a student. There we go. Once you are on Handshake, you will be sent to this screen. What you're going to need to do is go to the Career Center and enter Experiences. And it says you have not recorded any experiences yet, so you're going to request a new experience. At this point, you're going to type in the experience type, and for this class, it will be Spring 2019 Exercise and Sports Science Internship. You're going to obviously select your term, which will be Spring 19, and then from here you're going to select your employer. Now there's a very good chance your employer might not be in here. But let's say you want to do your internship at Conway Medical Center. It looks like Conway Medical Center is in there, so you can click on that. It gives the location and the industry. But maybe you want to do it at Timbuktu U, and at that, in that situation, it might not be in there. So you can just click on it and add your own. You would enter the location and the type of industry it is, as well as their phone number and the email address of the person you will be in contact with. You're also going to select a job. So for your job, it's going to be an intern. So maybe you're a PT intern or an athletic training intern. Maybe you're doing strength and conditioning. So you might do strength and conditioning intern. Any title that you can think of will be fine. You're going to enter the department. So for you, it's going to be exercise science, or it could be kinesiology, whichever one you choose. And then the date would be the date that you're going to start and the date that you hope to finish. Your position is going to be an internship, and this is going to be whether or not you're paid or unpaid or full-time or part-time. So the date that you're going to start would be your offer date, and you just say yes on the offer accepted. So your internship coordinator would be me, and so you just type in C. Rocky. Oops, sorry about that. And then your site supervisor is going to be your site supervisor. So whoever's out there is going to be your site supervisor. You don't need to worry about including this. It will automatically be uploaded. Your student ID will go here, and your email address will go here. All of these forms need to be clicked on that you agree so that you can continue. Your internship, you'll mark if it's paid and unpaid. You'll mark that you're enrolled in 495, and then you'll determine whether or not you have 9 or 12 credits. If you don't know how many credits for which you enrolled, you'll need to go to WebAdvisor and check. If you do 9 credits, you're going to have 350 hours. If you do 12 credits, you will have 450 hours. So please be sure you know that as you're going through to enter your internship paperwork. Further, you will be asked to list your job description. This is the same that was on the former paperwork. You're going to be asked to write 3 learning goals, and then you're going to understand that I will be supervising your internship and grading your work, and that you must sign an MOU and return it to the school. Unfortunately, there's a lot of things on here that I haven't clicked. I haven't clicked yes. I haven't put my student ID in, so I can't go any further. But on the next screen, it will ask you to submit your memorandum of agreement. Now, if you're working for a place that has already been approved, there's a good chance that the memorandum of agreement is already on file. If you want, you can check with me and ask me, and I will let you know. And I will probably eventually upload that MOU for you so you see it there. If it's not uploaded, there is one on there that already is pre-signed, and you just need to take it to your employer, have them sign it, and then upload it back to this page. The other alternative would be to submit it on Moodle, and I will have a spot for that as well. Or you can hand deliver it, which is not the preferred method. We're trying to go away from paper here. Once you do that, all of this paperwork, I will get an email, and then I will approve your site, and then an email will go to your internship supervisor, assuming you entered the correct email address. They will then approve that they want you to be an intern, and then you'll be done and all set to go, and I will know that you're ready to do your internship. This is a very, very new process, and we're starting it for the first time this semester. So hopefully everything will go well, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. Good luck and have a great time. Thank you.